Hey everyone, this is Simon from GoogleAsst, and today we've got an exciting unboxing video of the new VSSL A.1x. So this device will help you stream your music wirelessly throughout your house when connected to the likes of the True Audio speakers. So let's open up the box and see what's included. So we open this up. Got a getting started guide there, all for setting up. And we've got the A1X itself, we'll have a look at it in a second. And an accessories box, which includes your power cable, which is plugged into your mains, as well as an IR cable if you want to control the VSSL volume through any kind of remote control, as well as the screw terminal if you were looking at powering speakers from the included 50-watt amplifier. Here we have the A1X. We have the status and the power light on the front there. And if we look on the bottom, we've got the rubber feet there that can come off if you're putting it on a rack, or rubber feet there if you're putting it on a desk or table. Around the back, we have a power connector under the sticker there. We have the connection point for where we would plug in the screw terminal if we're looking at powering speakers from the A1X. We have an amplifier on-off switch, as well as a reset button. We have a sub out to connect this to the likes of the C sub series or any other sub woofer that you have. A couple of analog ins and outs, coaxial ins and outs, and optical ins and outs to suit all your speaker needs. We also have a couple of networking ports, a network in and out if you want to pass the network through the device, or simply a network in if you're looking at connecting this to an existing network through hardwire. It also has Wi-Fi built in on 2.4 and 5 gigs if you're not connecting it to a hardwired network. Awesome, and this is the new A1X, part of the new X series of VSSLs alongside the A3X and the A6X. A great addition to any home network where music is important to you. It supports the likes of Alexa, Apple Airplay, as well as Google Chromecast. It's nice and simple to use, supports a whole bunch of streaming services like Pandora, Spotify, as well as Tidal, any kind of music app that supports streaming. So why not try one today?